This week, we're going to be doing like a wedding gift idea. I thought we could take something very inexpensive and make an amazing gift. So we're going to be making a picture frame this morning. This is just one of the wood, just a plain plaid crafts. You can pick these up at Michael's. You can get them at Walmart. Just your plain wooden, just a little 4x6, and we're going to dazzle it up. So we're going to get started. This is a texture paint. We're not going to use it as texture. It's just the color is stunning. It's a rose gold. It's Deco Art texture. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this little part of the frame out. Again, this is texture. I've used this with stencils. It's amazing. You just use it as like dabbing. In this case, we're going to be brushing it on. Again, because the color was so gorgeous and I didn't have any rose gold and I wanted to go with a rose gold. So we're just going to brush it on that. Gold. I'm going to give this. It'll be going this way. Let's just take a peek with it. Oh yes, turn that. The star of the show is going to be one of our amazing appliques in the color rose gold. Y'all, look. It is the rose gold, but it has so much of that white gold in it. I think we're going to be using it here, but this is what we're going to do. Yes, we have the rose gold bling wrap, but we also have this. I think I'm going to go with this. I'll show you. So the bling wrap is amazing. You can cut it so easily. It's very flexible. I think we're just going to run these down the sides. We're going to put our applique and then we'll do a bow at the top. That's what I'm thinking. So we're just going to hot glue carefully our bling wrap. I don't quite get those edges. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot, hot glue. Imagine that concept. Okay. Whoops, y'all. Okay, now these do come with the glue strip at the bottom, the 3M, so you really don't have to do anything to it. I am gonna add just a little bit additional just on those little edges. And y'all, I mean, seriously, how stunning is that? Okay, now for our bow, I think I'm going to just do where you make a loop. I think that's what we're gonna do. But before we do, make sure that's the size I want. Before we do, we're gonna line it with some bling. So basically you just cut a piece, you figure out what size you want your bow to be, but we're gonna glue that. And then once we glue it, we're gonna have this circle. Once you do that, you get it right there in the center and we're gonna cinch it up and boom. Essentially just make like a little bow tie. I'm gonna set that aside for a moment. think I'm going to use 3 rows. So we are just going to put this right in the middle. I am just going to put the hot glue directly on this ribbon. So we're going to tack this down carefully. I'm just going to use a piece of jute because you know we're going to cover that up. Okay. Everything wants to stick to me this morning. Okay. So I'm just going to hold that down. But I just grabbed this small, it's one of the, see if we can get it to, there we go. The mini, this is in the mini pack, the rose gold mini pack. And I just grabbed a small one just to pop in the center of that bow. And normally on something like this, I would add E6000. What do y'all think? Oh my goodness, okay. Look how beautiful.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and grab our free download, 50 Ways to Bling Out Your Wedding. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.